What do students learn in the early grades at Spirit of Math? You'd be surprised. By the end of grade 1, our kids have mastered grouping numbers by tens to quickly and efficiently add and subtract integers and can handle one-by-one digit multiplication and division. They begin solving a variety of problems that introduce them to geometry, Venn diagrams, and introductory code breaking. In grade 2 and 3, the drills, number theory, and problems become more complex as students learn about primes, composites, and factors. By grade 4, they are experts in the relocation property. They can apply concepts like prime factoring and factorials to a variety of problem-solving scenarios, and they understand topics in geometry including points, lines, angles, and polygons. All this is achieved through an approach to learning that keeps even young students engaged. We balance our core curriculum with weekly mental math problems and a unique, proven system of drills to teach fluency and speed. We include cooperative group work in every class so students strengthen their communications and social skills. Plus, we employ challenging problem solving so our kids develop resilience and critical thinking. This is why we say that our program is about more than just math. It's about learning how to learn, how to face challenges, and how to work with others. And we use it to promote cooperation, inspire confidence, and release the genius in every child.